Hello everyone, and I'm Dr. Lau and one of the teachers here, and today is a great day and we're having an open house. You can see it's a lot of people visiting us right now with staff ready to show everyone what we're best at, and there's food, there's entertainment as well. So come join us, right, and find out what we do on an everyday basis. Thank you.
I'm Mr. Raymond Mark here. I'm the Assistant Principal of HCIS. Today we are having our open house here and we are happy and thrilled to see so many of you visiting us. For those of you who are not here, we hope that you will give us a chance by looking at our website and call us, and we hope you will join the wonderful family that is HCIS. See you!
欢迎大家来到我们华中国际学校的开放日，我是华文部的黄文老师，王老师。首先，谢谢大家莅临我们学校参观，希望大家能够对于我们的学校有更进一步的认识。谢谢大家。
Hello, I'm Mr. Tan. I'm the school counsellor. Today is the open house. Welcome you to Hwa Chong International School. Hope that you can join us in future. Enjoy and all the best.
Hello, welcome to Hwa Chong International School. Here we are at the maker space. We have our students here to showcase the things that they have done and are doing also in their Year 1 and Year 2 technology program. So we hope that you will join us, okay, that you can learn all these wonderful skills and pick up some new knowledge in IT. So hope you join us, okay, and have fun.